In this video, I'll share with you 3 undervalued stocks that I bought for October 2024. If it's your first time on my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. For some background, since March of this year, I decided to start investing $1,000 each month into undervalued stocks as part of my investment strategy. My main goal is to find opportunities where the market may not be fully reflecting a company's true potential. And for October, I ended up investing $995.30 across 3 such companies. So without any further ado, let's dive into my undervalued stock investments for October one by one. Undervalued stock number 1, Boeing. I bought 2 shares of Boeing at $150.91 per share for a total investment of $301.82. After this investment, I now have a total of 9 shares of Boeing stock in my portfolio at an average cost of $172.39. Boeing has been working hard to try to recover from all the setbacks it faced, including production issues with their planes and rockets. And the stock price of Boeing continued to tank throughout this year, which reflects these challenges. But let's not forget that Boeing, along with Airbus, operate in something called a duopoly, where only 2 companies dominate the entire market. It would cost tens of billions of dollars and decades on research, development, and testing for any new company to try to enter this market. So because of this market position and dominance, I think Boeing is going to recover in the coming years, and as of today, their stock price is undervalued. Undervalued stock number 2, Adobe. I bought 1 share of Adobe at $505.45. What I appreciate about Adobe is their commitment over the past decade to fully transition their software into a subscription-based business model. In the past, Adobe sold their products through physical CDs, which created opportunities for piracy and limited their revenue potential. And by shifting to a subscription model, the company not only reduced their piracy, but also established a stable and a more predictable revenue stream. I also like investing in companies whose revenues are growing year after year, and Adobe is definitely one of those examples. Undervalued stock number 3, Disney. I bought 2 shares of the Disney stock at $94.02 per share for a total investment of $188.03. After this investment, I now have a total of 10 shares of the Disney stock at an average cost of $97.97. Disney has been facing challenges with its theme parks and streaming services. More specifically, they started to get fewer people into their parks and losing a lot of subscribers. But I personally see a lot of value in the company's long-term prospects. The company has a strong brand presence, a lot of trademarks, and a huge library of content that will continue to attract audiences and making billions of dollars annually. As spending in the travel and entertainment sectors is slowly recovering now, I think Disney stock as of today is undervalued and has a lot of potential for future growth. In total, in October 2024, I ended up investing $995.30 across these 3 undervalued stocks. As always, I'll keep you updated on how my portfolio performs over time, so stay tuned for my future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.